The mamopay referral program offers one of the most rewarding ways to earn money effortlessly. By simply inviting friends and family to join the platform, users can earn a significant referral bonus. Each successful referral credited to your account rewards you with $10 instantly, and the bonus is credited as soon as the new user completes their first transaction. To maximize earnings, it's crucial to understand how mamopay calculates and distributes referral bonuses. The program tracks every invited user through a unique referral link or code. Once your invitee signs up and completes an eligible transaction, your account automatically receives the bonus. There is no limit to the number of referrals, which means your potential earnings are unlimited. Users who consistently refer active participants can accumulate hundreds, even thousands of dollars over time. The process is simple. First, access your referral code in the mamopay app. Share this code with friends through social media, messaging apps, or direct links. Encourage them to complete their first payment or transfer using mamopay to trigger the bonus. Each successful referral directly adds $10 to your balance, which can be withdrawn to your bank account or used within the app for transactions. Mamopay also occasionally runs promotional campaigns that increase the referral bonus temporarily. Staying updated on these promotions can further boost your earnings. Users have reported turning referrals into a consistent side income by combining the referral program with other app features, such as cashback offers and payment incentives. For anyone looking to earn online with minimal effort, mamopay's referral system provides an accessible and reliable option. By actively sharing your code and engaging new users, you can build a steady income stream. The platform's transparency, ease of use, and instant reward system make it one of the best referral bonuses currently available in the market.